Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python is a versatile and popular programming language known for its simplicity and readability. When it comes to developing Python applications on Windows, selecting the right integrated development environment, IDE, is crucial for a smooth and productive coding experience. In this tutorial, we will explore some of the best Python IDEs for Windows and provide a code example using one of them. Why Visual Studio Code? Installation. Example, Hello World in Visual Studio Code. Create a new Python file, hello.py, and enter the following code. Save the file, right-click in the editor, and select Run Python File in Terminal to see the output in the integrated terminal. Why PyCharm? Installation. Example, Hello World in PyCharm. Create a new Python file, hello.py, and enter the following code. Right-click on the file in the Project Tool window and choose Run Hello to execute the script. Why Jupyter Notebooks? Installation. Example, Hello World in Jupyter Notebooks. In a notebook cell, type. Run the cell to see the output below it. Choosing the best Python IDE on Windows depends on your preferences and project requirements. Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, and Jupyter Notebooks are just a few options worth exploring. Experiment with each and find the one that suits your workflow best. Happy coding! ChatGPT